Guys, for this project, for this beautiful rustic style snowflakes, you can use whatever yarn. You can even use your scrap yarn and any size of hook. I'm going to use 3.5 millimeters and my cotton yarn. So this is just worsted cotton yarn. And you can use whatever you have. Normally you ask me how many plies. Well, that's what I can show you. Really, you can experiment, use whatever, because it doesn't matter. You will get this beautiful snowflake. Just start with the magic green. So let's wrap around 2 fingers, make an X, and all you need is take your hook, grab this yarn, and now you can take the working yarn and pull through the loop on the hook. That's your magic ring. And we are going to start with chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And you are going to make 11 double crochet. So together with chain 3 you will have 12. Insert, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. You have 1 double crochet. Insert into the magic green, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 3 double crochet. You have to make 12 in total, including this chain. So I need 9 more. Crochet by yourself, and then we meet at the end of this row and I show you how to finish the row. I have finished row 1. Now I have 12 double crochet. Just grab this tail, pull the yarn, and you have a small circle. Now we have to find chain 3. So we are going to count from here 1, 2, 3. This is the top of our chain 3. Go under both loops. 1 and 2, yarn over, pull through the loops and pull through the loop on the hook. So this is our beautiful tiny circle. You can pull the yarn to make the hole smaller. Now we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then make another double crochet into the next stitch. Go under both loops, 3 loops, pull through 2 and pull through 2. You have 2 double crochet. Now chain 1, 2 and yarn over into the next stitch. Here we have 1 double crochet into this one. We're going to make another double crochet and another one. We're going to crochet in all stitches in this row, but after 2 double crochet we're going to chain 2, yarn over and move to the next stitch. I'm not skipping any stitches, so just chain 2 and the next stitch, yarn over and another double crochet. Then chain 2 again and to the next stitch. You have these sets like here, and in total you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just arrive until end of the row and I show you how to finish it. That's what you must have after row 2. So you have 6 sets of double crochet and between them we have chain 2. So here we had our chain 3 and here the last double crochet. You can just chain 2 and slip stitch at the top of chain 3. So 1, go under both loops and yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook. Here the chain got a bit tight. And now we have this, our last third row, very easy one. Just yarn over and make single crochet here. Single crochet into another one. So where you have double crochet, on top of them you make your single crochet. Now we are going to yarn over and make 3 double crochet into this chain space. 1, 2, and 3. Now we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, and 3 at the same space, inside the same chain space. So you have like this part we are making now, and this is our last row. So here we are going to make 2 single crochet into the double crochet of previous row, 1 and 2, and again double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 3 double crochet into the same chain space. 2 and 3, and we continue like that until the end of this row, and I show you how to finish your snowflake. So we have our 3 rows done. Here is my last double crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch into this double crochet at the beginning. So, or single crochet, sorry, and just slip stitch. The next step depends if you want the loop to hang this at the snowflake. You can chain as big as you want your loop, but I don't like. I want to use jute yarn to hang them. I think like that they are more like rustic style. You can make something like that if you prefer, maybe even longer loop. And if you don't want the loop, you can simply cut the yarn, so you don't have too long. Just cut the yarn, and here we have our second single crochet. You can go here and take the yarn to put on the other side. The next step, you can use smaller size hook or tapestry needle and just hide the yarn in between the stitches. So simply use one size smaller and pull through all of these stitches, and the same you have to do here. And just hide in between here and the same. And that's it, your snowflake is ready. You can use glue to make it hard, and it will be really good for the shape. It will keep this shape. You can use them just like this to decorate anything you prefer. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and see you again next time.